So an additional really exciting application for additive manufacturing in the world of electronics is the printing of non-planar geometries, of non-traditional layer parts. And this allows us to create shaped electronics. It allows us to create various mechanical properties within the same part. And it also allows one to use the print process itself to generate electrical effects or capabilities of the printed part. And I'd like to share a few examples of this non-planar freeform geometry printing. One example of this is our 3D coupon, which essentially illustrates the very high resolution capability of the system. Should you need to have cavities, should you need to have holes, should you need to have shapes to the topography of your board, because of the additive process, the selective deposition of the material in the requisite X, Y, or Z coordinate allows you to start creating form factors that are not possible with traditional electronics. This part here illustrates some of the very high resolution capabilities in terms of placing the polymer, but this is really only the beginning of the problem set that this type of additive manufacturing can bring an answer to. So additive manufacturing allows you to not just change the shape of the part that you're printing, but also it can enable you to change the mechanical properties. Many situations require, say, a Rigiflex board to solve with traditional manufacturing, and the additive manufacturing process is able to replicate this sort of application. So in this part here, you'll see essentially a collection of features. On the one hand, some rigid areas, some cavities wherein one might choose to place a component, and then in between these two areas, and you can see that the thickness of the part varies. This allows one then to introduce a degree of flexibility in the part without having to use connectors which would otherwise add to the bulkiness or weight of the complete system. So it allows one to introduce some different mechanical properties to the build. So one of the more exciting applications of the freeform geometry that one can print with additive manufacturing is coils. Coils are at the heart of so many applications that are in the electronic engineer's toolkit. And what you can see here is just one example of this domain of parts that can be printed very easily using the Dragonfly printer. What you see here is a 12-layer coil. It's a coil in the sense that there's a continuous spiral within this polymer which allows the part to function as a magnet. But using the same build process, it's possible to build motors or explore inductance and a range of other electrical effects. For example, perhaps sensors can be tackled in this way as well. So the ability to print non-planar electronics, non-planar circuitry, facilitates the printing of electrical effects, which would otherwise be very, very hard to make and at times impossible to make. So as a further illustration of what's possible in this space of non-planar geometries, so what we see here is a spiral. It's essentially a form of coil within the polymer. So this entire spiral is printed. It's printed from the bottom up. So at no point, except for at the very end of the print process, are you able to see that it's actually a spiral. So as the part grows, as you reach the top of the part, that spiral is then ultimately closed. But this is an example of how you can allow what would otherwise perhaps be a via to be any shape you like. Offset vias are facilitated, so you don't have to think about signals and vias in the same way ever again. Essentially, your conductive circuit can take any shape, any form, at any angle.